So now that I'm walking through Otakciovo, I'm realizing that some tourists and expats are like, oh my god, but Croatian's such a weird language, it's so difficult, I don't understand it, I've never seen anything like it. Don't worry, it's not that hard to get by on everyday words, and most people know English anyways. So let's get into the new video about common phrases, everyday phrases and words used every day that'll get you by in Croatia, man. Oh, thank you, Bunjo. You're like Jesus. This is the Bunjo show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G-O-O-O. This is Bunjo show. Wow. Now let's get into the language game of Croatia. And I think it's fairly easy. Here's some greetings and some simple phrases and words commonly used every day. The first one is a bok. Bok. It means hi or bye. It's very informal. It's just saying literally hi or bye. And if you say bok when you leave, that's bye bye. Simple, right? There's one for you. Now back home, trailer parks do not look like this with the view. Look at that. Look at this trailer park. Jesus. It's beautiful here. Now let's get into another phrase commonly used. Dobro Jutro. That means good morning. It's simple. And the more commonly, this is the most common one, I think. Dobar dan. That means good day. Or you can just short form it for dan, and that means day. And those are pretty easy. See, it's not that hard. You're doing good already. And then how you say good afternoon is Dobre Vecer. Yeah, that's it. Dobre Vecer. And that's it. That's good evening, good afternoon, same thing, right? And I think this is where my path comes to an end. I'm not sure about this. No, I guess I can keep going a little bit. And yeah, see, those are the greetings. And how you say goodbye in a nicer way, like goodbye instead of bye, is Dovidenja. And welcome, welcome is basically Dobrodošli. Dobrodošli, that's welcome. And Dovidenja is goodbye. Simple, right? See, it's not too hard. Those ones are a little bit advanced. Those ones are tough to say, I guess. And the hardest one for lots of people to say is Hvala. That means thank you. And that's like, again, you can say that to every waiter, everybody that helps you, everything. You can say that to the cashier. So that's good. That's a good one to use. Hvala. Or they say Hvala down here in on the Dalmatian coast. Hvala. Everywhere they have their own different dialect of the language, so you'll get a different like kupula or kapula. That's onions in the Dalmatian coast, but up north it's Luke. So it's like Luke means onions too. So that's crazy, a little bit different everywhere. And I'm just going down this path. It's pretty sick. And yeah, so there it is. See, Croatian's not that bad, and I know my stuff. I just don't like to use it because it's shy. I got to get over that shyness of speaking it, because the more you speak the language, the more you learn it, right? So Hvala means thank you. Now you're probably wondering how to say please. Please is Molim. Molimte, you know. That's how you say please. And it's very easy too. You can say that to be polite everywhere. And almost at every restaurant or every grocery store after you're done, especially grocery stores, you always get this, Još nešto. That means anything else. Još nešto. Anything else? And they say that a lot. And simple stuff in the restaurant. So simple stuff in the restaurant, like if you want to order simple things, like just drinks, for instance, because there's lots of drink places here, especially on the Dalmatian coast. There's lots of drink bars, and the drink bars usually don't have food in it in most places, so you got to go to a restaurant. But to ask for water, you just say Voda, Voda. Like that's it. That's water basically. And pivo, daj mi pivo. That means get me a beer. And pivo means beer. And that's the most one. Like when you're in Croatia, pivo is like using cerveza in Mexico. Pivo, daj mi pivo. You know? Daj mi pivo. That's how you say it. Molim. Or Hvala. And how you say coffee? You can say Americano, espresso. But, or you say kava. Biela kava means white coffee. Kava sa mlijekom means coffee with milk. Mali means big. Or velika means, velika means big. And mali, malo, that means small. So they're gonna ask you this question when you want. If you say kava sa mlijekom or something like that, that's a hard one for me to say. They're gonna be like velika or mali, and you say whatever you want. I usually get the velika. And yeah, that's how you order a little bit. There's a little information on how to order drinks. That's a most important fact. And also at the store, they're gonna say something about you want a bag, or ask you if you need bags, because you got to pay for bags here. So basically they'll say, do you want a bag? But they mean, when they say something like Vrece or Rajčice, that means bag in Croatian. So if you ever hear something Vrece, something Rajčice, that means would you like a bag, basically, you know? And that's how it is. Look at this beautiful scenery. And when you're with a group of friends, you'll hear Jabuka. Jabuka means fuck it. Like you want a beer? Jabuka, fuck it. You know what I mean? Simple. Or Jebice, that means fuck you. And it's pretty funny because they use that quite a lot. Or pichka de matre. That is a bad word. It means something about your mother. And they use that the most out of any word. And look at this beautiful scene, huh? Now I gotta go walk all the way back up this hill. I wonder where this goes to. This is crazy. And and I'll give you a little bonus little language lesson here. Jabuka means apple. Kruška means pear. Lubenice. When you hear the lubenice trucks, that means watermelon. Rajčica means tomatoes. Rajčica, can I get some Rajčica? Krumpir means potatoes. Krumpir, jedan krumpir. Yeah, that means potatoes. Kupus means cabbage, and cabbage is very popular here. Kupus. And meso, I think, means meat. So there it is. And more, let's go to the more. That means basically that just means the sea. And you never call the sea, let's go to the water, I'm staying by the water. You don't say that, because the sea is not the water to them, you know. And if they're like, if you're like, where's the drinking club Big Daddy? That's in Trogir. That's on the coast. I mean, on the outskirts, on the boardwalk, on the seaboard, you know. But they're gonna say by the Riva. Now, every coastal city has a Riva. So if you're in Trogir and they say by the Riva, they don't mean go to Split by the Riva. They mean it's in Trogir on the boardwalk. Riva means boardwalk, and that's basically it. This is crazy. Look at this. And look at this little beauty nature walk. And I hope that helped you out a little bit. And I know I'm a hack show at language. I don't know why. I think I'm the guy to teach you normal a couple everyday words or easy terms and all that stuff, because shit, I'm too scared to use it in public most of the time. And I'm a hack. I chop those words up and spit them out, bro. But I mean, I think I'm pretty close. I think I know what I'm talking about, and that's how you do it. And thanks for watching. You know, this is Bunjo, of course. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God, it's so nice. And remember, it's January, almost February, and I'm long sleeve t-shirt. I'm from Canada. This is paradise. This is crazy to me. I can't believe where I am. Never seen this before. Thanks for watching.